आमच्या फाटल्यान आमकां दिसता सेलिब्रिटी मिलेनियम ही क्रूज बोट हांगा आयिल्ली आसा. एक मोठी पॅसेंजर बोट आयज हांगा आयिल्ली आसा आनी दिस इज दी फर्स्ट क्रूज शीप दॅट हॅज अरायव्ड इन टू एमपीटी ऑफ द टुरिजम सीजन. हांगा इंटरनॅशनल क्रूज ही फर्स्ट टायम हांगा आयिल्ली आसा आनी हातून भितर अरावंड 2100 पॅसेंजर सुमार आयिल्ले आसा.
We've been here before about 4 years ago. We stayed in South Goa. Really enjoyed it. Today we're back on the cruise ship just for one day. Well, where the cruise stops, I mean, there's not a lot here. You know, I can't even see a shop yet. So, or somewhere to get a cold drink, maybe.
So more shops in the vicinity.
Yeah. Yes.
She told us all about the different spices and different culture between the north and south of India. And then we went back to her villa where she has cooked for us. Superb.
Very nice. We enjoyed. Yeah, we will come back. Okay.
जेन्ना आमी हांगा भितर गेले आमी वेगळे वेगळे लोकांक गाठलो. टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटांतल्या गोवा टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटांतल्या मागीर इंडियन टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटांतल्या टूर ऑपरेटरांक मेळ्ळे आनी तांचे कडेन आमी जाणून घेतलें की कशें ते पॅसेंजराक हँडल करता, तांचे कितें अपेक्षा आसता.
ये क्रूज़ जो स्टार्ट हुआ है ये स्टार्ट हुआ है सिंगापुर से ऑलमोस्ट 6 days before and ending in Mumbai actually.
Most of the passengers are British nationals and UK nationals. They have also about 900 crew members on board.
Yes, we feel great. We bring their special performance for them only, showing a rich heritage of Goa.
जेन्ना आमी आनी फुडें पळोवंक गेले तेन्ना आमी एमपीटी कडेन जेन्ना उलयले एमपीटीन सांगिल्लें आसा की तांचे एक इंटरनॅशनल आनी डोमेस्टीक क्रूज टर्मिनल जो आसा इट इज गोइंग टू बी रेडी बाय द नेक्स्ट सीजन आनी हाका लागून खंय जायत्यो फुडें आनीकूय क्रूज टुरिजम म्हणटा तें बूस्ट जावपाचें आसा.
Government of India has sanctioned the project of international domestic and cruise terminal, which is towards my left, which is going to come up and be operational by the coming season. So almost 60% of the work has been already completed.
वास्कोच्यान कॅमेरामॅन तुळशीदास चारी बरोबर हांव विक्रम नायक प्रुडंटा खातीर.